What's up, everyone? Today we have this. It's the Samsung Soundbar Q800T. Got it as a Black Friday deal. So if this video is published somewhere in the middle of December, it's actually filmed on December 1st. I don't see how that's relevant. So, it is another soundbar. Nothing really special about this one. Okay. Oh look, there's a subwoofer. Okay. Put it aside for now. Oh look, the accessory kit. My favorite part. User manual. Looks like a power cord of some sort. Another power cord, probably for the subwoofer because it's wireless. An HDMI cable. Looks like another power cord, very interesting. What's this? Mounting brackets for the wall. If you ever want to put your soundbar on the wall. And in a separate compartment in this bag is the remote. And a couple batteries. Okay. Well, here's the subwoofer. Hang on. It's a big guy. Look at that. Oh, it's huge. And the bass port thing is on the back. And the power cord, obviously. Oh, it's heavy too. I'm putting it down. Hang on. Alright, now time to unbox the soundbar itself, which is what we're all here for, isn't it? That'd be over here, this side of the box. Okay. Ooh. Okay, here's the soundbar itself. It's quite big, actually. A lot of packaging. Some buttons on here. I'm not sure what they do. Okay, has optical audio in, which is what we'll be using. A service port, DC 19 volts. HDMI in, and then HDMI to TV. And that's pretty much it. So I don't know why they included two power cords. Some touch controls here. Alright, time to plug them in. See what's going on. See what this is all about, you know? Alright, hang on. Let me get this set up over here. Off to the side, okay? So, I just figured out why there are two power cords. Mostly, in fact, because the power brick that connects to this soundbar needs power. So, yeah, I learned something. Right, it says it's on. I believe I should click the pairing button here. Hopefully it's paired. Right, I'm gonna connect the remote and see what it can do. Hang on. It just just need 2 AA batteries. Okay, let's see. Bluetooth, good, I can connect my phone. There's Bluetooth. So here, oh, there it is. Soundbar. Let's connect it. All right, we are connected. So I always play this when I'm testing out speakers. Don't know why, it's just a running theme here. I'm going to link it in the description if you want to hear it yourself. I hope the subwoofer works. Looks like it. Let me try moving this out of the way. Yes, it does work. It is paired automatically. Overall, I gotta say it sounds not bad. I would hook it up to a TV or something if I had one, so I can show you some extra features, I believe. Turn up the volume a bit. So I'm going to stop there. And, well, that is kind of an unboxing, quick demo of it. Sounds pretty good, for music at least. Easy to use. It just plug it in. It should automatically pair to it. If not, I guess press the pairing button. Has optical audio in, which is good. And yeah, that's kind of it for this video. I already showed you what's included. That thing, what is it? HDMI cable. And yeah, thanks. That's it for this video. Hope it was a little helpful as to what this is. I'll link it in the description below if you want one, and I'll see you next time.